Hello, my strong traders. How na dey? Okay, we dey look at the BTC USDT chart today. Omo, how e dey be na how the market? Una still dey buy? The way the market dey go, to buy na error. To buy na error. And if you dey buy, hope say they dey long your position. Because based on wetin I dey see here, although I no dey give financial advice for my video, but wetin I dey see here, based on this current chart I dey see, price now don fall below the 50-week moving average, which is this one wey dey here. See this one wey dey here, this yellow line, excuse me, it's called the 50-week moving average. Price don fall below the 50-week. Now e dey for the 100-week moving average. So at this point, if you dey feel say from the 100-week e go bounce back to the 50-week moving average, then the price of things go continue. That na big lie. Why? Because if you come back here, let's take our mind back to when the bull market started, when price of BTC was around 15K, which is here, this point here. If you notice, when the uptrend started, okay, price have always stayed on the yellow line, which is the 50-week moving average. Price has always been on that line of the 50-week. Okay, price rode all the way on the 50-week till it got to 126K. So this thing is something that has happened, like it has been happening repeatedly. So if you are trading something like this, you need to be very, very careful. Because if you think price is going to come to the 100-week moving average and then bounce back to the 50-week and continue the uptrend, that's false. Why? Why is it false? Let me drag our mind back now. Let's go way back when we had our last bull run, when we had the very previous bull run that got to 69K. Okay, before price got to 69K, what did you notice? That price here always stayed on the 50-week moving average. If you look at it, you see price stayed on the 50-week moving average. Okay, so the period or the time when price dropped below the 50-week moving average, what did you notice as price dropped? It tried to go back again like it did previously, okay, but failed. All right, so it now came back down below the 100-week and went as low as the 200-week moving average, which is this other color line here, this purple line here. So price had to stay down. Now all this while that price is coming down like this is a downtrend. We don't trade this. We don't trade a long position here. You lose. Okay, till price got to 50K, 15,000, and went back up. Now immediately it got to the 50-week moving average again, which is this yellow line. There was confidence in the market and price now went back up. Okay, as you can see here. So this thing is something that has been happening time and time again repeatedly. All right, so you just have to be cautious so you don't make mistake. I'm thinking you are trading long position. Hey, and they buy Bitcoin to hold am for like 2 years, 3 years, you go grow. The error people make is this, I'm telling you. They tend to buy at the wrong time, thinking is the right time. So you just need to be careful, please. Be very, very careful. This market no get joy, okay? This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you something that I feel you need to take a look at as a trader. Why I think the market is not going to continue its uptrend for now. For now, we will need to wait and see how things plays out in the future.